lame. Just look at these pics. Huh? What's with all these photos of Adrian? Well, with a mask and a costume, don't you think he looks a little bit like Cat Noir? Are you out of your mind? He's tons more legit than Cat Noir. Hey, I happen to think that Cat Noir is pretty slick. Anyway, stop taking photos of Adrian. Well, unless you give them to me afterwards. Give it back! No! Oh, come on, Marinette! Where did you drop it? Everyone knows how clumsy you are! In the daytime, I'm Marinette. Just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet, because I have a secret. Ready, Papa?
As much as I'll ever be.
Happy career day, my darlings.
My day begins at 4 a.m. every morning because the bakery opens at 7. You'd think that the life of a baker is pretty routine, making the same pastries, rolls, cakes. But actually, it's different every day. One day someone might order a cake in the shape of the Eiffel Tower, and another day you might...
You've reached the voicemail of Gabriel Agrest's office. Please leave a message.
Hi, Father, it's me. It's Parents' career day at school, remember? I was hoping that you were gonna show up. Call me back.
You okay?
Yeah, whatever. Nothing new.
Marinette will come around and pass out some croissants baked fresh this morning.
Thank you, Mr. Dupin. Now, let's meet Alia's mom, who is head chef at the Grand Paris Hotel, owned by our mayor, Mr. Bourgeois.
It's beautiful! Look, don't touch.
Put it away, Chloe. It could get in the wrong hands.
I wonder how many croissants your dad would have to sell to buy you one of these. What am I saying? He'd have to sell the whole store. Well, if you're so rich, obviously you don't need free croissants. Ugh, jealous. Is that camembert? That's not camembert, but it is very shiny. I like shiny. Unfortunately, I have no dishes to